In this video, I'll show you how the target button works in Camera3D Toolkit Pro. First, I create a new composition. Then I import a few images. I'll add the background, this texture here, then this building, then the city. I'll put the building on top and the bridge. Actually, I don't want the bridge, so I'll remove it. Now let's say I want to create an animation, and this part is important. Do not select your layers. If you select them all and then click quick, it creates a camera and a null for every single layer. And we only need one camera and one null. So nothing selected. I just click quick. You can see the background became very small. So I select the background and I click BG Fit here. Before the target button, I can also increase the size of the city. I'll scale it up like this. Now I want to position myself on the background, so I select the background and I click Match. Now I create my animation. I click on New York, then I click Target, then I click on Skyscraper, and I click Target again. If we just play it now, this is what we get. Now what we can do is select the null and click Overlay. That makes the keyframes overlap. And you can see when I play the animation, nothing stays static. The keyframes move into each other, so the animation is overlapped like this. A small, fast movement, and that's what you can do with it. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.